Now question number 6 from problem set 2. Question number 6. Write the simplest form of rationalizing factor for the given surds. Write the simplest form of rationalizing factor for the given surds. Students, surds like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 10 are in the simplest form. First sub question, root 32, root 32. So solution, root 32 equal to root of 16 into 2. 16 2s are 32 and 16 is a perfect square. So root 32 equal to root of 16 into 2. But root 16 is 4. Root 16 is 4 and this root 2 as it is. So answer is root 32 is equal to 4 root 2. Therefore, simplest rationalizing factor is root 2. Simplest rationalizing factor is root 2. Fourth sub question. 3 upon 5 root 10. 3 upon 5 into root 10. So, solution 3 upon 5 root 10. Therefore, simplest rationalizing factor is root 10. Simplest rationalizing factor is root 10. Students search like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 10 are in the simplest form. Therefore, simplest rationalizing factor is root 10. Fifth sub question. 3 root 72. 3 root 72. Solution. 3 root 72 equal to 3 into 72 we can write as 36 into 2. 36 2s are 72 and here 36 is a perfect square. So 3 root 72 equal to 3 into root of 36 into 2 equal to this 3 as it is here 3 into but root 36 means 6 root 36 means 6 and this root 2 into root 2 so 3 into 6 root 2 equal to now 3 6 are 18 3 6 are 18 so equal to 18 root 2 so 3 root 72 equal to 18 root 2 therefore simplest rationalizing factor is root 2 simplest rationalizing factor is root 2 students second third and sixth sub questions are homework. Now question number 7. Simplify. Question number 7 is simplify. First sub question. 4 upon 7 into root 147 plus 3 upon 8 into root 192 minus 1 upon 5 into root 75. Solution. 4 upon 7 into root 147 plus 3 upon 8 into root 192 minus 1 upon 5 into root 75 equal to 4 upon 7. Write this 4 upon 7 as it is. But root 147 we can write as 49 into 3. 49 3s are 147 and 49 is a perfect square. So root 147 means root of 49 into 3. So 4 upon 7 into root of 49 into 3 plus again 3 upon 8 into root of 192. So 3 upon 8 into but root of 192 we can write as root of 64 into 3. 64 3s are 192 and 64 is a perfect square. So plus 3 upon 8 into root of 64 into 3. Then minus 1 upon 5 into root 75. So 1 upon 5 into root of 25 into 3. 25 3s are 75. So root 75 means root 25 into 3. So minus 1 upon 5 into root of 25 into 3 equal to 4 upon 7 into but root 49 is 7 and this is root 3. So 4 upon 7 into 7 root 3 into 7 root 3 plus 3 upon 8 into but root 64 means 8. Root 64 means 8 and this root 3 as it is. So plus 3 upon 8 into 8 root 3. Then minus 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5 into root 25 means 5 and this root 3 as it is. So minus 1 upon 5 into 5 root 3. So 4 upon 7 into 7 root 3 plus 3 upon 8 into 8 root 3 minus 1 upon 5 into 5 root 3. This 7 is in denominator and this 7 is in numerator. Cancel 7 from numerator and denominator. So it is 4 root 3. 4 root 3 plus 3 upon 8 into 8 root 3. Again cancel 8 from numerator and 8 from denominator. So here it is plus 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus cancel 5 from numerator and 5 from denominator. So minus root 3 minus root 3. So 4 root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus root 3. Now all are like sorts. So equal to, write in bracket 4 plus 3 minus 1 close bracket and into root 3. So 4 plus 3 minus 1 because all are like sorts. So we can add and subtract. So 4 plus 3 minus 1 close bracket into root 3. Now 4 plus 3 7. 7 minus 1 6. So 7 minus 1 is 6 into root 3 into root 3. So answer is 6 root 3 equal to 6 root 3. Second sub question. 5 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 1 upon root 3. Solution. 5 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 1 upon root 3 equal to 5 into root 3 because root 3 is in the simplest form. So 5 root 3 plus 2. 27 we can write as 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27 and 9 is a perfect square. So plus 2 into root of 9 into 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Multiply this. We want to cancel this root 3 from denominator. So multiply root 3 in numerator and denominator. So plus 1 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3 means rationalize the denominator here. Equal to 5 root 3 plus 2 into root 9 means 3 plus 2 into 3 and this root 3. So 5 root 3 plus 2 into 3 root 3 plus now 1 into root 3 is root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 means root 9 and root 9 means 3. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 1 into root 3 is root 3 and root 3 upon root 3 is root 9 means 3. So 5 root 3 plus 2 into 3 root 3 plus root 3 upon 3. Now 5 root 3 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 6 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 root 3. Root 3 upon 1 means root 3 upon 3 means we can write as 1 upon 3 root 3. Now all are like sorts. So equal to 5 plus 6 plus 1 upon 3. Close this bracket into root 3. 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 root 3. So equal to in bracket 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 plus 1 upon 3 close bracket into root 3. Now use LCM method here. So 5 plus 6 plus 1 upon 3. So here it comes 15 plus 18 plus 1 upon 3 into root 3. Here 3 is in denominator now. So 5 3s are 15 plus 6 3s are 18 plus here 1. So 15 plus 18 plus 1 upon 3 into root 3. Now 15 plus 18 plus 1 is 34. So 34 into root 3 upon 3. 34 root 3 upon 3. Students, third sub question is homework. Now question number 8. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means change denominator into a rational number. So first sub question 1 upon root 5. 1 upon root 5. Rationalizing factor of root 5 is root 5. Rationalizing factor of root 5 is root 5. So 1 upon root 5 is equal to 1 upon root 5 into multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. So 1 upon root 5 into root 5 upon root 5. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 1 into root 5 is root 5 and root 5 into root 5 is root 25 and root 25 is 5. So 1 upon root 5 is equal to root 5 upon 5. Change denominator into a rational number. So 1 upon root 5 is equal to root 5 upon 5. Students, second and third sub questions are homework.